Hi guys, we're running some errands today. It's Saturday, so I'm waiting for the guys because JJ will be mowing mom and dad's yard, and Michael will grab dad's old rickety ladder and bring them here so we can dispose of it. And also this will be the last time we're gonna mow the yard, mom and dad's, because their house got sold and they're gonna close on Wednesday. So we thought we'll have JJ mow it for the last time today, and then we're gonna bring dad's lawn mower here. So anyway, let's go and do this. Good morning guys, we are at my in-laws backyard. JJ had been mowing the yard since we put it on the market, and dad's garden is overgrown, but you can still see some flowers. Over there's the black samson or purple cone flowers. They're pretty. Baby's breath abound. And then there's the cosmos flowers there. These are weeds. Actually, these are like poppy seeds. I'm gonna get some and bring them to the Philippines. These are poppies. They had beautiful pink flowers. And look what I see there. It's a dragonfly. Ah, there it went. Okay. There's Judson mowing the yard. So the house is sold. This would be the last day we're mowing the yard, because next week they're gonna be closing. Didn't take long. It was put on the market on a Friday, and Sunday we had an offer. So we're taking dad's rickety ladder, dispose of it. We are going to take the mower home, and I think Michael is thinking of bringing it to the Philippines. We have a big yard over there, and last year when I was there I bought a push mower, a real push mower, and it was a pain in the neck. But I had fun mowing the yard. but it was really hard. So we don't know if we can buy lawnmower over there or a riding mower even. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to disassemble Dad's mower. Right, Daddy?
What's that?
We're going to disassemble the mower.
Yep, we're going to disassemble it, put it in 2 body boxes.
And put it in the bollock band box. Just to be sure that we will have a mower for our...
I'm not using that real mower.
So the buyer requested new roof. And so Mom and Dad had it done. And then the buyer will install new guttering. So this is goodbye house. This will be our last time here. My husband is wearing Tropical Island Philippines shirt. He is ready like me.
I think our thermometer's broke.
Oh,
Okay, it's not 76.
it's definitely not 76. It's kind of, well, it's still nice.
It's nice, it's humid, but it's got a good breeze today.
Yeah.
Last 2 days, there's no breeze.
So we're going to Menards.
Hey, big money at Menards.
According to Michael. Just because.
If we don't find the little plastic pieces here, those are going to go out to the scrapper.
Yep. There's a kettle corn
Other one.
guy at the entrance.
Can you hand me the heat shield, please?
Now we're going to the Asian store. Some kettle corn. Judson bought kettle corn.
No, I bought it.
Daddy bought kettle corn. Okay, Daddy. At Menards.
That's a big money at Menards.
Not many people are out today.
Yeah.
It's a hippie store.
Hippies. Hippies.
This is what we came here for. Hello stuff. $7.59. Looking for coffee, are you? Waiko Pico.
Ma, I get a pack of spicy noodles for lunch.
Okay. What is that?
Instant coffee.
He wants noodles. Lucky me, pancit noodles. You really want to eat that hot and spicy. Huh?
I don't know which one to get.
Ambot nimo? What the heck is want? Want?
Hot,
So-
sweet, and sour flavor. Look at here.
Uh-huh. Sodium.
This one.
Oh boy. Okay, if you say so. Hmm. You already had your